Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. The past 2 weeks have been a little crazy in my home and I'm a little late getting a video to you, so I do apologize. Unfortunately, my husband got hurt using the chainsaw. He's okay, but recovering has been tough. But I am happy to share 5 new fall decor DIYs with you today, using mostly Dollar Tree items. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you'll take a moment to consider to hit that subscribe button and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my...
For this DIY, I have a wood piece from Walmart. I painted one side with the celery chalk paint from Waverly and the other side with the pumpkin chalk paint also from Waverly. When the paint dried, I sanded both sides to give the edges a rustic distressed look.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting...
I have a package of napkins from the Dollar Tree. I added some water on my fingers to tear the napkin around the pitcher.
And I really wanna know.
I brushed DIY liquid patina on the wood and placed a napkin on top. I put another coat of liquid patina on top to seal the napkin.
Falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
I painted a give thanks wood cutout from the Dollar Tree with the antique wax from Waverly and glued it on top.
Sky's falling down, even if the sky's falling down, the sky's falling down.
I have a rub-on transfer from the Dollar Tree of pumpkins. I rubbed a few in the corners.
Even if the sky's falling down, even if the sky's falling down, the sky's falling down.
And I glued a blessed wood cutout from the Dollar Tree in the center and left it as is. And to finish this DIY, I glued a piece of twine on the sides to make a hanger. I love how this simple and easy to make two-sided sign turned out. I'm going to place it on the back door window. That way everyone will see both sides when they come in and when they leave. For this DIY, I have a grapevine wreath and some fall picks from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. I placed the picks on the side of the wreath, securing them in place with a floral wire, so I'm able to reuse these again next year.
He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen.
I also added a pumpkin and some pine cone picks.
And I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not.
I have a package of wood acorn cutouts from the Dollar Tree. I painted them with the truffle chalk paint from Waverly and then decided to paint the bottom part with the fern chalk paint from Waverly.
I met a young man searching for glory.
I painted a Hello Autumn wood cutout from the Dollar Tree with the pumpkin chalk paint from Waverly. Unfortunately, I don't have that recorded. I sanded the acorns and the Hello Autumn for a distressed look. I glued the Hello Autumn to 2 acorns, and I was going to make a garland, but I decided to glue 4 of the acorns on the wreath.
When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note.
And to finish this DIY, I stringed the Hello Autumn acorns in the center of the wreath.
I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know.
This wreath was so easy to make. It looks simple but still has that Dollar Tree high-end look. I will be hanging this wreath on my front porch. For this DIY, I have a wood mason jar from the Dollar Tree. I cut a piece of crafting paper from Hobby Lobby to fit the mason jar.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real.
I brushed some Mod Podge on top of the mason jar and placed the paper on top.
With your color.
I sanded the edges to remove any excess paper. I have some jute ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I cut 3 pieces and glued them at the top of the mason jar on the lid part.
We stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
I painted a blessed wood cutout from the Dollar Tree with black paint. I glued it on the tag that I had on hand.
Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life.
And added a piece of jute twine and glued it on the front of the mason jar.
We're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions sharing stories that we never had yet.
And to finish this simple, easy DIY, I glued a foam flower from Michael's at the top in the corner. I really love the wood mason jars from the Dollar Tree. I make a new one for every holiday for my counter. They're so easy to make and they can be decorated in so many different styles. I have a thankful word from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint it with the ivory chalk paint from Waverly and place it on my china cabinet. Sometimes you just need to paint something and not do anything else to it to get that simple but elegant look. For this DIY, I have 2 pumpkin signs from the dollar store. I tried to remove the paper, but it wasn't working, so I sanded the sparkles off using a sanding block. I traced 2 pumpkins on crafting paper from Michael's, and I used a glue stick to glue the paper to the pumpkins. I sanded the edges to remove the excess paper. I rubbed the distress ink in the color walnut stain on the edges of both the pumpkins for a rustic distress look.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile.
I glued the flower pumpkin on top of the blue pumpkin.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving,
I wrapped natural color raffia around the pumpkin stem on the blue pumpkin.
it's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been
I glued a galvanized thankful word from the Dollar Tree in the center of the pumpkins.
Baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel.
And to finish this DIY, I glued 2 white sunflowers from Michaels on the blue pumpkin. I always enjoy creating these wood pumpkin signs every year. They're easy to decorate to match any home decor. I hope I've inspired you today with some new ideas for your fall decor this year. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.